Hi everyone, Tridib from TGT and welcome to another watchOS update video. Today Apple released watchOS 8.4 to the public. This is available for all the watchOS 8 supported Apple Watches. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 3 to all the way up to the Apple Watch Series 7, this update is available for you now. Along with that, Apple also released iOS 15.3, iPadOS 15.3, Apple tvOS 15.3, macOS Monterey 12.2 and macOS Big Sur 11.6.3, which is actually a security update. To find the update, make sure your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone, then open the Watch app, go to General, then Software Update, and your update should be available here. This update came in around 185 megabytes in this Apple Watch Series 5, so it's not a huge update. Now let's check the new build number. Go to Settings, then go to General, then About, and here you can see the version is 8.4 and the build number is 19S546. Talking about new features, this is the third major update for the watchOS 8 operating system, which was released last September. According to the release note, this update fixes a major issue for some Apple Watches where some chargers may not work as expected. The problem was mainly with some third-party chargers and in some cases the Apple certified chargers and Apple owned chargers as well. As you can see, this is an Apple MagSafe Duo charger which I always use to charge my Apple Watch. After this update, it is charging as fine as it should be. Though I wasn't facing any issue earlier as well, but if your Apple Watch had charging issues, that should be fixed now. Also, watchOS 8.4 may be adding ECG feature for some more countries as well, though Apple haven't mentioned anything about that. Even if this is a 0.1 update, but it doesn't come with some major new features, so it seems that Apple is mainly focusing on security updates and bug fixes with this one. watchOS 8.4 also includes some major security updates as well. Let's go to the iPhone and check the release note there. As you can see here, this has a lot of security fixes. This includes updates for Color Sync, Crash Reporter, and an iCloud issue where an application may be unable to access a user's file. Apart from that, it also fixes a kernel and bunch of WebKit issues as well. With this, Apple has also added a new watch face for your Apple Watch Series 3 or later. To use that, go to the Add option, then go to New Watch Faces, and here you can see the new Unity Lights watch face. Then select Add and then you can customize it the way you want. It looks good. Performance wise, this is running absolutely fine in this Apple Watch Series 5. I'm using this for almost 2 years now and it is still running nice and smooth, just like the new one. The app performance is also fine. The battery life of watchOS 8.2 was good, though battery life of watchOS 8.4 will take some time to report. Let's check the battery health. Let's go to Settings, then Battery, and check the battery health, and it is 81%. I'm using it every day for 2 years now, as I mentioned earlier, so it's okay. With this battery health and always on display, I end up my day with around 30 to 35% battery life left in this Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 3 or newer, you should definitely update to watchOS 8.4. It seems to be stable and comes with charging issue fixed and some major security updates. No major new features though, but maybe we will see some additional features with watchOS 8.5 or whatever comes next. Or maybe Apple is saving major new features for the next big watchOS update, which is watchOS 9. That's it. If you have found something else with this update, do write it down in the comment section below. Do like, share, and please don't forget to subscribe to TGT. I'll see you in my next one. Peace.